my yoga friend! I'm so glad to see you today! Airplane pose! Spread your wings wide! Whoosh! Feel the wind on your face! Great job, little pilot! Bridge pose. Lie down, feet close to your bottom. Lift your hips high. Great job! Lower slowly. Camel pose. Kneel tall, hands on your back. Lift your chest up to the sky. Wow, what a proud camel! Cat-cow pose. Hands and knees on the mat. Meow like a cat, then moo like a cow. Arch up, then look up. Nice stretch for your back. Child's pose. Knees wide, toes together, arms forward. Breathe in peace. Breathe out worries. Downward facing dog. Hands and feet on the mat. Hips up. Make a mountain with your body. Breathe. Wag your tail. Extended side angle. Step your feet wide. Bend one knee. Reach your arm over your head. Feel the stretch from fingers to toes. Strong and graceful. Garland pose. Feet apart, bend your knees, hands together. Back straight, chin up. Strong like a frog. Hold it. Nice balance. Happy baby pose. Lie on your back. Grab your feet. Rock side to side. Breathe and feel your back stretch. Mountain pose. Stand tall, feet together, arms by your sides. Breathe deep. You are a mountain, steady and strong. Plank pose. Straight line from head to heels. Tight tummy, strong arms. Awesome strength! Puppy pose. Knees down, arms stretch forward. Chest melts toward the floor. Breathe softly. Gentle puppy stretch. Reverse plank pose. Sit, hands behind you. Lift your hips up. Look at the ceiling. Strong body. Breathe in. Open your chest. Rock pose. Kneel down, hands on your thighs. Sit still like a rock. Breathe slowly. Side plank. From plank, roll to one side. Lift your arm up. Big star shape. Hold steady. Breathe. Staff pose. Sit tall, legs straight, hands beside you. Back long like a stick. Breathe in, stay strong. Triangle pose. Feet wide, arms open. Reach to one side, hand to ankle. Breathe deep, stretch long. Warrior pose. Arms wide, front knee bent. Eyes forward, strong gaze. Steady warrior. Great job, my friend! You did wonderful today! See you next time!